Welcome back. In the last video, we got our very first words on the screen. Today, we are going to throw away Hello World and start writing the actual content for our portfolio website. We are going to learn how to tell the browser what is a big headline, what is a subheadline, and what is regular paragraph text. First, let's change our main heading to your name. You should absolutely type your own name here. That H1 tag stands for heading 1. It tells the browser, hey, this is the most important piece of text on this entire page. Now right underneath your name, we need to add a short bio or tagline. We will use the P tag. The P tag stands for paragraph. Look at the difference on the right side of the screen. The browser automatically makes the H1 tag huge and bold, and the P tag smaller and lighter. This is called visual hierarchy, and it makes your website easy to read. Next, let's create headings for the other sections of our website. We will use an H2 tag for this. As you can guess, H2 stands for heading 2. It's slightly smaller than our main heading H1 but bigger than our paragraph text. HTML actually goes all the way down to H6 for subsections, but for our portfolio, H1 and H2 are exactly what we need to structure our page. Right now, our website has a name, a bio, and 2 clear sections ready for content. Look at how clean your code is starting to look. We are building the pure skeleton of our site step by step. Pause the video here, replace my placeholder text with your own name and a cool tagline, and add your section headers. In the next video, things get visual. We are going to learn how to bring this page to life by adding images and real clickable links. See you there.